Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we'll touch a couple of questions. This is an extract from Unical past questions and this is chemistry. So the first question, dash are allotropes of carbon. The correct answer here is diamond and graphite. Diamonds and graphite are allotropes of carbon. Number 2, a substance is said to be hygroscopic if it. What are hygroscopic substances? I would like you to jot down. Hygroscopic substances are substances that absorb moisture from the atmosphere and become liquid or turn into and become liquid themselves. So these are solid that absorb moisture from the atmosphere and they become liquid. They are called hygroscopic substances. So they say a substance is said to be hygroscopic if it does what? Does option A does not absorb moisture, or A is out of it. Option B is suspended. No, dissolve when absorb moisture. So dissolves when absorb moisture, it will turn to a liquid when it absorbs moisture. Option C. Number 3, we're given a chemical equation here. CH3COOH. This is an alkanoic acid. In this case, ethanoic acid reacting with you have an OH here, so this is ethanol. Dash. The functional group under and in the equation is an dash. The functional group under and in the equation. Number 3 is option D. The functional group under is carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid. Option D. Carboxylic acids are organic acid and these organic acids are weak acid. Example, acetic acid, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, etc. They are carboxylic acid if you're jotting down. Number 3, the gas equation P1V1 over T1 equals P2V2 over T2 is made up of Charles law and dash law. It's made up of Charles law and you could see Boyle's law. Do not forget Charles law deals with pressure and temperature, volume and temperature, while Boyle's law deals with pressure and volume. So it's Boyle's law. Option C, the acid in butter is called, option B, butyric acid. Number 5 is option B, butyric acid. The acid in fruits is called citric acid. The acid in palm oil is called palmitic acid. There's an acid from goats. That one is called capric acid. You have acid from, which other one they ask a lot? The acid from milk. That one is called lactic acid. Keep those ones in your mind. Then the one from butter is called butyric acid. Then there's one they ask a lot. Tartaric acid is used as a baking powder. Number 6, I'm going to solve this one differently. The oxidation state of this. Number 6 will be demonstration. Number 7, the mass number of an atom of an element is the sum of the mass number of an atom of an element is the sum of the proton and the neutron. Option C. Number 8, the existence of two or more forms of the same element in the same physical state is known as allotropy. Allotropy. Number 8 is option A. So allotropy is when you have same element like carbon. You see it in charcoal. If you've ever seen coal, coal is like charcoal, but it is much more heavier and darker. So if you've seen coal, it is carbon. If you've seen your coal tar, the one they use for road, what do they call colota? Now carbon be that. If you've seen most firewood you see around, there's a huge amount of carbon in it. Even in the human body, you also have a bit of carbons also. So you get, so carbon, the ability of elements to be in different physical states. So carbon in human beings' body is different from the coal tar you have on your road, which is different from the charcoal you have, which is different from diamond, which is different from graphite. You've seen a pencil before, lead pencil. You get, so when you have carbon in different form, but all of them they still be carbon, and they call allotropy. Option A, no forget. 9, in which of the following are radioactive isotopes used? Radioactive isotopes, you could use it to do carbon dating, like this one, dating techniques to check the date of how old the item has been on Earth. You could also use it for scientific research. You could use it for treatment of cancer. We also use it we could also use it to sterilize equipment, medical equipment, etc. So the correct answer to number 9 is option D, all of the above. Then the phenomenon observed when dust particles collide randomly in a beam of light is known as the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is when dust particles they will collide randomly in a beam of sunlight. Tyndall effect. I'm going to be stopping here so that the video will not be too much. I've been able to give 1 or 2 points down. If you jotted this point down, I would like you to snap and send on the group. And should there be any of this question you want more clarity on, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next couple of videos. The next video also will cover the next 10 questions. I'm doing. See you in the next video.